Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by selecting the platform and libraries. Choose iOS, Android, or a cross-platform framework so your codebase fits your team. Once done, register developer accounts and request the necessary API keys and permissions because the OS will block location without them. Make sure to decide accuracy versus battery trade-offs early. High-frequency GPS gives precision but drains battery, while fused or passive updates save power. Start coding permission flows and basic location listeners, now so you can iterate quickly. You now add the core location logic. Implement foreground and background tracking and robust permission handling because users toggle permissions unexpectedly. Then integrate geofencing and batching to reduce network calls. Use smoothing filters like Kalman or simple averaging to avoid jitter. Next, implement secure transport. Use TLS, short-lived tokens, and only send required coordinates to minimize privacy risk. Make sure to throttle updates and queue when offline so you preserve battery and deliver reliable location streams. You finish by deploying with staged rollouts and broad device testing. Validate behavior in low-power modes and with revoked permissions so you catch real-world failures. Once live, monitor analytics and error reports and add server-side sanity checks to reject impossible jumps or unrealistic speeds. Finally, provide an in-app diagnostics view showing permission state, last fix, and signal quality to help users. If things go wrong, first verify permissions and background mode flags, then check GPS and sensor calibration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.